Hello everybody, broadcasting now from Drumheller, Alberta. Today is Friday, July the 15th, and it started out pretty early this morning, about 6:30, headed back into Calgary so that Ethan and Amelia could go in and get some checkups and physicals. Amelia went to the dentist, Ethan to the doctor, and then Tammy was out doing some shopping. We left Melissa and Samantha with our friends so they could go to the Trail Museum on a dinosaur dig, and I sent the GoPro with Sammy, so I'm going to have some footage that Sammy took out in the hoodoos where they were looking for dinosaur bones and having fun. And on the way back, big rainstorm on the way out here, and it looks like it might actually be getting ready to rain here tonight, but that's okay because we're going to be watching movies and playing some games. Yeah. It's quite a day. We're all set up, ready for a great camping weekend. Doesn't matter if it rains or sun shines, we're still going to have a good time.
Okay, that was a brutal storm we just drove through. It was really loud and took a bit of range from us, just the rain and the water on the road, but we had to go pretty slow, so it kind of compensated for it. You'll see that the trip is estimating we're going to get there with a little less range than we expected, but we'll still have enough to get there, and then we'll charge at our campsite. Some of us slept silently through the whole storm, and will not believe it until she sees it. So as you can see, this is where we're headed. Looks like sunny pastures or greener pastures. Yay!
Oh, that's a scary baby. Cactuses was Style?
Yeah?
Yeah, just don't quit your day job, okay?
Okay. You carry her for the rest of the way. Let her put a paw on the ground. Yeah. Especially if we walk down that thing with her.
Hey Ashley, are you digging at that bone?
Yep.
Good. You know, I bet this is an entire part of a dinosaur. Maybe.
And then when the paleo... And here we have a bone from a horned dinosaur like Triceratops.
Sam.
Maybe. Okay. Younger,
Bugs are annoying.
but I've been doing dinosaurs for a long time.
So have I. For months, years even. Don't know how long it's been. All the water's gone.
But I still have my water bottle.
Whatever. She's not sharing. He's been hoarding it.
What? You have... What was the main...
Isn't that fun?
Yeah.
Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Was it your first time?
Yes.
Definitely recommended. Yeah, it's recommended. You get very hot out there.
Oh, yeah.
It was awesome. Cards. Let's find the dads.
Yep.
Oh, there they are. They're the dads.
Hey, how was it?
Hi, Dad.
Hey,
Hello,
Sammy.
Quinn.
Hello.
Well, I think that's going to be a wrap for today, Friday. We are all set up. We're back at our trailer. Tammy's making supper for all of us. Camera 2 girl is right here. Did you have an awesome time at the dig?
Yeah.
Yeah? And we're going to go eat. Then we're going to play some games. We're going to watch a movie and have a great sleep. Miker and Sammy out.